Ina with Innichka Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. What we are doing today, we are making some delicious, easy appetizers. It's a all the time everyone favorite. It's a bite. It's a feta bite. It's a cute little thing you eat with toothpick or by hand, and it's a nice warm or actually room temperature appetizer. And I would say it's the easy thing to do. Let me show you. Even though I'm not a Greek, but I have quite a bit experience with filo dough. It's a pastries, very flaky, almost like a pastry dough, but just has no fat at all. But it has the same flaky texture if you layer. And filo dough always needs some fat, and the more the better actually. But we're going to do a combination olive oil and butter. Usually people use like for spanakopita or any really dishes, people use butter. And I love olive oil sometimes, but combination of both is actually the most delicious flavor. And they just melt beautifully together. So I have here half cup of butter, and I'm going to melt in microwave. Olive oil. So filo dough is a little bit funny to work with because it can get dry fast. So what I like to do to keep under the slightly wet towel to protect from dryness. And you have to defrost slow. Work with one roll at the time. And what I like to do, this dough can break easily, so work slow. Be gentle with this dough. And now, I like to cover this towel. It's very important to prevent from dryness. And the other towel I'm going to wet slightly. This is slightly wet. That way we protect dough from breaking. Make sure you always cover this towel to protect from dryness. It's very, very important. It's crucial. And when you defrost filo dough, defrost slowly. Don't try to rush. I like to defrost overnight in the refrigerator. It's important because it will break. Even if it breaks, this dough very forgiving. So no stress either way. So here what we need, take one piece of and just brush with a little bit of honey. Just tiny bit of sweetness. And I like to garnish a little bit with sesame seeds, black or white. I have black at the moment, and I think it looks beautiful with additional sesame seeds. and place in the oven for 15 minutes, 12-15 minutes, 375 degrees. They are ready, and look at that, they smell bubbling and beautiful. I love how they smell nice and crispy and buttery, slightly sweet and salty from feta and olives. It's a perfect balance little bite. Perfect hors d'oeuvre. And I like to serve this with yogurt, of course. And I have whole milk yogurt, full fat, of course, lots of fat. More the better. And a little bit of that honey. So crunchy. Perfect. Just so good, so good. You've got to make this appetizer. Easy, quick, make your kids do it. It's fun. And make so many of them. I just use 1/3 of that filo dough sheet and make whole tray. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like, subscribe, share with your family, friends. The full recipe, as always, and similar related in description below. Enjoy. Cook from scratch. Bye. See you next time.